Puff was the tiniest dragon in the forest, and he had a big problem. Every time he sneezed. He didn't mean to cause trouble, but his fiery sneezes scared everyone away. One day, the nearby village needed help. Their festival lanterns couldn't be lit because all the firewood was soaked from the rain. Puff saw this as his chance to be useful. Puff waddled into the village, but as soon as they saw him, the villagers gasped, "A dragon!" Before Puff could explain, he felt a tickle in his nose. A lantern lit up perfectly. The villagers cheered. "He can help!" Puff sneezed again and again, lighting every lantern in the village. That night, the festival glowed brighter than ever, and Puff felt proud for the first time.